people, strangers of the internet. I don't really know if this is recording or not. It's my first time using OBS. But I am playing Farmville. Yes, Farmville. Oh my god, this is not Farmville, this is whatever that says. Load. I don't know who that is. Okay. Kevin. It's been a person I downloaded it from. Why am I holding my phone? Wait, my phone. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna play as normal for this video. I like the music. I never actually kept the music on. Okay. I haven't seen my dog all day in this game. Okay. Take the watering can. I like that just by clicking it, it auto-sends it to your inventory. Because, oh my god, in other games it's just awful. Water all these plants, I still need more water. No, not that one, Jesus Christ. Grab some water. How did you even grab the water? You only just pouring it. How did you grab water? Are you okay? Whoa. Where did you... Oh my god, what the? This guy transforms every time he does a watering. Jesus. Doggy! I have teeth, but my eyes are disappearing. Okay, hey doggy, where did you go? Oh, you are too fast. Yeah, I love you too. Okay, well, I am poor. Jesus Christ. Get rid of that and that, because those are annoying me. Can I kill this butterfly? I can't kill this butterfly. Oh my god. I don't care. No. Oh, no. Oh my god. Okay, so, these are going to take a couple of days to grow. So, I will go mining. Put that away. Okay, sword, get that, and get the pickaxe. Oh, God. I'm gonna die. I am going to die. Because those slimes, Jesus Christ. Slimes. They take forever to kill. Oh my god, slimes are already hurting me already. I go up here. Are you kidding me? Come. Navigate through this. Okay, here we go. Jeez. Going upstairs, running around. I'm cringing to my own video. I got, how much, what is that? 25 energy, 10 health. So it's the same as a, oh, this is a fruit? It's a veggie. Oh, okay. Well, there's more of them. I'm just stealing it from nature. What was that? What was that like? Is that like a blocking? I didn't know you could block this. Oh, you can. I did not know. Oh, look at that. More on fruit. Oh my god. A bunch. That's a sword. I wonder what it does for speed. Does nothing. Yay! I thought it would do some like fast mining that. No, oh my god. Oh, it's the homeless guy's tent. I don't know what this is. Oh, I'm just eating the food anyway. I need it for the mines. I'm guessing that was a raccoon god or something. Yay, time to go mining. Oh my god. 10. Oh, I don't even want to go down. Oh wait, what? Treasure chest. I got nothing. This is different. It was like a slime cavern. Oh, this is bad. Oh, I hate it when they're big like this and they have no ores. Oh, no. I do have ores. Copper ore? Okay. Is there such thing as a copper sword? Because slimes take me forever to kill. I really need a better sword. I should probably try to make a better pick too. Why is there even light down there? Okay, it wasn't over there. Please don't tell me I don't have to mine all these trying to find it. There we go. Ooh, oh no, slime, hey. I love the fighting animation. Like, I just like how the fighting is. I just really like it. Ooh, I wasn't as strong of a slime as other slimes, but oh, we're gonna get there. Ooh, but this is cool. I've seen people in the railroads take all that copper, going down the railroads. Oh, is that a water drops? What was that? Oh, there's 2 ways in. That must be like a good way. There we go. Please tell me this is a good one. So weird without hearing this without this noise. Oh, those things! I hate these things. Nearly dead too. What happens if I use a pick on it? Oh, you break your shell. You should have never tried to kill me. You should have never tried to kill me. Oh my, it's a crab? Whoa. Can I eat it? No, I can't eat it. I'll sell it though. I would think probably it'll be like right here. Nope. The way down. Don't make me poop you. Oh my god, no! What is that? I hate bees in real life. That's like a fly and a bee mixed together. And a moth too. Bug meat. Oh, it's like... Oh my god. Where is the way down? I hate trying to find it. Where even is this recorded? Wait. I thought that was the enemy, the crab. Either way down. Yes! Oh no. Ooh, copper ore right there. Now that copper ore. Oh, more copper ore. I've never seen this much ore before. Okay, try to avoid that slime. Is there anything good in here? Doesn't look like it. So that, and oh, is this purple rock? Does it still give me the same thing? Oh no, it gave me something different. I have to make it to floor. Oh my god, so much floor. I have to make it one floor down to get to level 15. Should probably be near. Knowing how this is always set up. Probably somewhere around here. This one is? No. 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 Nope, nope, nope. It's one of those things. It's one of those things. No, stay away, stay away. Oh my god. Good thing this takes no energy. People say it takes no energy. Yes, I need energy. Yes. Plus 11 energy. Okay. Not the best one I've seen. The best one I've seen is 40 energy. But that only gave me 6. What was that? It's giving me more health than energy. Oh, it is giving me energy. I thought the red ball was energy. No! Oh my god! Where are you guys coming from? Oh great, 2 of them. Yay! Let's make this a party. No, go away. I don't like things like you. No, 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 no. I got 5 above me. Yay! Oh. Please don't tell me you can eat it. Okay, you can't. Monster. Who would want this? Oh, this is for a quest or something. Which way is down? Leave alone, I'm trying to find it. Oh no, oh my god. I don't like that one. I have to go up here, don't I? No. No, just stay right there. You trapped, don't even hit me. Oh my god, those ones take forever. Ooh, what is this? It's a barrel? Can I get water? I got wood. Wood. This way, little slime, this way. Oh, yay! Yes. I'm trying to know what. I need to get rid of some stuff. Rid of that. Rid of that. Rid of that. Rid of that. Give that to the museum. It's a type of fish, but I don't care. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay. Oh, I see a lantern over here and there. Oh my god, I have to find a way down. Where is it? I was mining this. Oh my god! Do they just come when you mine that? I hate these things. No, 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 no. Don't do this. Oh my god, no. Leave mine. No, 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 no. I was so close to level 15 too. I am not falling asleep outside again. I cannot afford of how much money people are stealing from me. I don't want help from those whatever they're called, Mojos, Jojos, the devil. They have all different nicknames. I used to work for them, but I didn't get paid enough. I don't know why I came to a farm. I have no electricity. Actually, I have a TV, but nothing good. Come on! If you fall asleep here, that's messed up. Come on. Look how close you are. Come on, the house. The house is right there. Doggy, good night. Yes. Oh my god. Mining level 2. A new pick. Oh, I have to increase my mining level. New crafting. What? Level 1 combat, new crafting. Okay, a ring. The progress has been saved. I didn't know how to do that before. And I was like so annoyed. 10 copper. Refined quartz and 10 earth crystals. The earth crystals are hard to find. Okay, show. Well, I don't know everybody yet. It's hard to know everybody. That'd be good. That's the one I'm going with this. Auto run and turn that off. Y'all taking too much. What? I should have a crab in there. Artifacts, materials. Only 50? Greenhouse. Greenhouse. Wait, what? Greenhorn. No. Skills. My mining's my highest. I'm not gonna do no fishing. Farming's still bad. Jeez, how long has this video is this video going on for? I think it's the bottom one. That's the time. Oh, that's cool to just keep going all the way. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I'm guessing maybe I'll try to stick this to 20 minutes. You don't have that long anyway. No, wrong one. Wait, what the? Okay, the last thing I'll do to finish off this episode is rewater my crops. I'll probably need this coal, need the watering can, and that's all I need. Okay. I'm just gonna first water my plants. Watering. Probably killed many people's ears by now. My voice is awful, like awful. Water all the crops. What the? Come on, it shouldn't take too long. Just have to wait around here. Mail. Collect the mail. Dear neighbor, I hope you are feeling settled in your new home. I am writing to let you know that Policeman Store is now selling oh my god! I don't care. Why don't you swing by and see if you can afford a few dozen boxes or so? No! I'll try to make my own. That's good. Oh my god. Just gotta smelt these. To wait here, waiting for these to smelt. Can I make another one? Oh, I'm starting to wish I did not use that one. Really starting to wish I did not use that one. But it's okay. I'll just save up these copper ores. I'm not going to put any more copper in there. I just need one copper to make another furnace. And if I put that, go to the... Okay. Put that there. Put that there. Put that there. Put that. Actually, I'll bring that with me. 2 bars should be enough to make that sword, right? Maybe. I don't know. I hope not. I hope it is. Why did I say I hope not? Okay. I have to go to the blacksmith and the museum. I'll go to the museum first. Gotta run. Oh my god. Oh. Enter the adventuring game. Why do I want to be an adventuring game? I have to go all the way down to like level 40. It's gonna take a long time. Running. Hello, have I spoken to you yet? I'm right behind you. Mom won't let me have any more gummies today. You worried about some gummies? You should be worried about some games. You need some games. Why are you walking all the way over here? And it's open. That's good. Hey, hi. Upgrade tool. I ain't that rich. Requires 5 copper bars. And 20,000. Nope. Bye. Nope. Okay, put my mouse back in the screen. Hello! Oh. Donate to the museum. I don't know why I'm not still getting paid for this. Okay. That's a good person. Oh no, I'm touring. Yeah. You look like a square. You're like Steve from Minecraft. but weirder, with red hair. Oh my god. I forgot. It's like this purple fruit with like the green top. I forgot what it's called, but her hair looks just like it. Okay, I guess I'm leaving now. Just gotta go back to my farm. Then I'll end up the video there. There's actually a wizard's tower. Why is there a wizard's tower? Am I gonna learn some magic? And chain my swords? Oh, is that where the people got their, like, strong swords? I always wonder where they got their swords from. Hi, cow. Moo. I made an awful path. No, it's not that way. Is it this way? Yep. Going the right direction. And here we are. I will end off the video. Oh my god, dog, are you floating? Okay, I will end off this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a dislike. And wow, that is a long pause. Okay, and yeah, I'll end the video here by sleeping. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a dislike and bye bye.